Hey everyone, I thought that I would make a video on Craigslist on how you can post for free instead of paying. So, you go to craigslist.com and then if you do not have an account, you create one. I'm just going to click on my account and then, oh. But yeah, you go to my account and up there it will say create an account or log in. So if you need to create one, then create one. It's free to join, so you can do that. If you already have one, just log in and click on Craigslist. And then there are so many different cities in one state. So I just click on US states, and there are so many. So I just gotta click on Missouri, and I'll just click on Kansas City. And then you go on services, and I usually go to small biz ads. And then you go to post, and I just go to community, and I just go to general community. Then I just going to write beta tester needed anywhere in the US. And you have to write down your postal codes because they want to make sure that you are in the US. And in here, you can write down anything you want. You do not even have to mention Painted Dreams Marketing on here, but you do whatever you want to write, however you want. It is your choice, your decision. Emmett, Mom's trying to make a video, okay? You gotta be quiet down. Sorry if my son's making a noise because today he is actually turning 4. It's happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
No, it's his birthday. Yeah, it's raining outside, so he's trying to find things to do in here. But anyway, you write whatever you want, and my advice to you is do not put your phone number down and your Facebook information down because for me, I just want privacy. So I just write my first and last name on here, and then down here, this is the email. Whatever you put down for your Craigslist account, this is the email that people will reply to email you if they want more information on there. And make sure that you click the first one, mail relay recommended, because it's more safer that way. And you go to continue, and I'm just gonna delete my city and click continue. They do not need to know your exact location. You do not have to click images at all or pick images if you don't want to. But me, I am going to show you guys how I do it. So I just go to pictures, and then I'm gonna use this one for holidays. And you click done with images, and you're able to review everything and make sure if there's something wrong, and you just click edit post or edit pictures or whatever. But everything here looks good to me, and I'm just gonna click publish, and there you go. And you will receive an email saying that you posted. And you also can go to return your account page, and it will post up in here. So this, you do not have to write beta testers. You can write extra money for the holidays, however you guys want to write. But I normally post in general community on Craigslist. Services here, the small biz ads. You guys can test things out. There are several ways to post for free. So this is my one advice that you guys can do is go to most small biz ads for free and community, and I hope this will help you how to get this for free, to post for free. And if you guys have any more questions, please ask me or any other people on You Can't Stop Power group or Pay the Dreams marketing group. Um, we are more than happy to help you. And if there's anything else that you want to learn how to post and see a video of, please ask me, and I am more than happy to show you how. But yeah, today I decided to show you on Craigslist on how to do it for free. So I hope this helped you, and I will talk to you guys later.